What is health insurance? Why do we need a health insurance policy? Hello, I'm Anup and welcome back to my channel. I'm starting a new series on everything that we need to know about health insurance. So now let us talk about the most basic question, that is, what is a health insurance? It's a contract between you and the insurance provider where you pay a slight amount of premium to the company. In exchange, the insurance company promises you to pay the hospital bills in case of any hospitalization. Now let us understand this by the way of an example. Say you have opted for a cover of 10 lakh rupees in a particular insurance company where you pay a premium, whatever may be the premium. So let us say unfortunately you are hospitalized one day and the hospital gives you a bill of 3 lakh rupees. Now since you have taken a cover of 10 lakh rupees, the insurance company is going to pay you 3 lakh rupees, which in turn you can pay the hospital, or it can directly pay the hospital directly if they have a cashless settlement. So simply put, it's a policy which pays your hospital bills in case of your unfortunate hospitalization. That's it, as simple as that. So now let's discuss why people hesitate in buying a health insurance policy. Now these are some of the points that we are going to discuss which I've come across in my day-to-day conversations. First, I lead a healthy lifestyle and nothing is ever going to happen to me. This is what I have heard every now and then. But as we all know, the only certain thing about life is its uncertainty. Who thought about COVID? We never knew this term what was COVID. But in 2020, unfortunately, COVID struck us and you know the havoc that it created. But COVID is a distant game. We might hear in our day-to-day lives, yesterday I had seen that person and today he had to be hospitalized. So it's so unfortunate that anything can go wrong to anybody at any point of time. So this point I think we should rule out, and we should think of having a cover which will take care of us in case of any uncertainty. Second, if anything happens to us, I will get admitted in a government facility and take the benefits of the government hospital. Now, as we all know that we pay our taxes and we all want that government should take care of us, and definitely the government is doing its part. But we all know that India is one of the most populous countries in the world. And if somebody asks me this question, I say that please visit the government facility before talking this point, because it's sheer chaos in a government facility. It's not that the government is not doing its bit. It's good and the doctors may be excellent, the nursing staff may be excellent, but definitely they are overburdened and you wouldn't want to be in a situation where you need emergency attention and the facility is overcrowded and you are left out, and then we start blaming the government that we are paying so much taxes but we are not getting anything in return. We should also think that government is popularizing health insurance premium by giving tax soaps. That is, if you pay the health insurance premium, you would get deduction while filing your taxes. Also, the government is encouraging us to buy health insurance. You would say how? So when you buy a health insurance policy, you can get a deduction of the premium paid when you file your income tax returns. So go ahead and buy a health insurance policy. Third, we say that our company has provided us with health insurance cover and we don't want to buy one. See, this is a bit debatable. So if you leave your job and go to a new company, will the new company provide you with the health insurance cover or not? This is a question mark. Second thing, if you leave your job and want to be on your own, you have to think that by the time you out of the job, then the premium of health insurance also might have been gone up because of the age factor. So keep this in mind when thinking that the company has provided us cover and I don't want to buy a standalone cover for myself and my family. Fourth, and one of the most important points that I have come across why people hesitate to buy is this. Why should I pay health insurance premium and when I don't get anything in return? Here I would say, please pray that nothing ever happens to you and your family, and let the premium that you pay in your health insurance policy go waste. Because if any member of your family is hospitalized, see, you have financial loss, plus you have mental trauma and mental stress of that person recovering from the illness and coming home. So don't think that you are paying the premium and you're not getting anything in return. I would say that you pay the premium, you buy peace of mind. So as simple as this, put together, buy a health insurance policy so that you and your family are safe. Now, friends, going ahead, I am going to make videos and discuss on the various topics that we come across when selecting a health insurance policy and discuss on the features of the policy. Also, I will discuss on how to buy a health insurance policy, say online or through a agent, etc. What is critical illness policy? What is a floater policy? What is individual policy? All things are planned and going to come in this series. So friends, for more such content, please do stay tuned in. And if you have any thoughts, any comments or any questions specifically to be answered as far as health insurance or any other thing in personal finance is concerned, please do leave them in the comment box. Thank you.